How to change chat font size. Are you just facing issue to change chat font size on WhatsApp business application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change the chat font size on WhatsApp business application, first of all open the app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply head over to the chat option. You can see this option that chat are too small. The font size are pretty small, right? To change it, just simply go back and look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this three dot icon. Tap on it. Now select settings. After you select settings, head over to this option chat, theme wallpaper and chat history. Click on it. After click on it, you'll be provided with multiple options. Just simply tap on font size. After you click on font size, you will be provided with three options: small, medium, and large. If you want a large font size, then just simply select large and click on OK. Now go over to your chat inbox. So as you guys can see, our chat font size has been large. That's it guys, that's how you're gonna change it, chat font size. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.